How to deal with rounding errors in Shapely. I have a case which is based on projecting a point on a line and then separate this line on it. My use case is slightly more complicated, but my problem can be reproduced with the following code. By construction, PR should be on line 1 and their intersection 2. Prints 2 times true. But changing the input coordinates slightly breaks the workflow. Prints false. I understand the floating precision problem behind this, but does that mean that I can never test for points being on lines? When I construct a line based on a list of points, can I be sure that at least all the construction points will be on the line?
Fundamentally, a precision model is needed, and there are various plans to implement this into GEOS at some time. Don't hold your breath, as this has been under discussion for several years. Otherwise, the options are distance-based tests, recommended, or more expensive buffer-based techniques by a small adjustment. See machine epsilon. You can also chain cheaper and expensive tests using an OR operator, for example, which only runs the second and more expensive test if the first one returns false.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.